Today, we are making a toaster! So go grab your painting colors and brushes! We will start by the front of the toaster. For that, let's draw a big rounded rectangle. Now, draw 2 slices of bread popping out from the top. Draw the top part of the toaster around the bread. On the right side, draw a small lever. This is the button you push down to toast the bread. Let's make it happy! Draw 2 big round eyes. Add a smiling mouth. Then draw 2 little cheeks. Coloring time! First, color the outside edges of the bread brown. Now color the inside of the bread yellow. Next, color the toaster a bright blue. Color the cute cheeks pink. Finally, color the lever and the feet orange.
And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.